Is your rental property causing you more headaches than happiness? David's was. For over 20 years, David managed a rental property in the Bay Area. At first, it seemed like a smart investment, steady income, long-term growth, and control over his financial future. But as the years passed, the challenges started piling up. Late-night calls about plumbing issues, tenants moving out without notice, and the constant need for repairs, it all began to take a toll. David said, "It felt like I was working a second full-time job." The breaking point came when a tenant stopped paying rent and left the property in disrepair. David was overwhelmed by the thought of repairs, listings, and endless showings. That's when he found Bay Area real estate buyers. "I explained my situation and they completely understood," David said. They offered him a fair, all-cash deal for his property as is, with no inspections or tenant drama. Within weeks, David was free from the headaches of being a landlord. No repairs, no evictions, no fees, just a simple, stress-free process. Now, David can focus on his future without the burden of property management. If you're a tired landlord ready to move on, we can help. At Bay Area Real Estate Buyers, we specialize in helping landlords like you sell properties quickly and without hassle. Take the first step toward freedom. Call us today at 510-224-4334 and let us take the weight off your shoulders.